Boom. So it's going for a buy and 2 more seconds to go. I got another win. So this is crazy. Hey everybody, Mark here. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me. On my last video, we talked about the new AI trading button inside of Pocket Option. We went through all the new features and functionality. And so if you missed that video and this feature is brand new to you, then I would highly recommend to go watch it. I will leave a link for that down below in the description of this video. Now today, on this video, we are going to put this button to the test. And we're going to see how profitable we can become just by using the AI trading feature inside of Pocket Option. Now, I will also be using the Wealth Warriors Trade Manager, which is an incredible trade manager available to only the VIP members inside of our private Telegram group. And this allows us to have some losses, but still come out in profit. This is not martingale. This is an entirely new system which takes advantage of the Kelly criterion method. It's a probability theory that's built into this calculator. It's extremely powerful with mathematical calculations. It's going to give us the exact trade amounts that we need to use to stay in profit. And we're going to put it to the test with the AI trading button inside of Pocket Option. So let's go ahead and jump in here and let's find a setup. Now, before we do that, we're going to be trading underneath a 1-minute expiry. So this is going to be in seconds. We could have trades that could last from anywhere from 5 seconds all the way up to a minute. And if you've watched my previous video, you know that the AI trading button inside a Pocket Option decides how long the expiry will be. So this is not something that you are going to input inside of here on Pocket Option. The AI trading button will take care of all of that for you. Now, before we begin, let's go ahead and add some assets to the chart. And I'm going to be using OTC. So I'm over here on the currencies. So I'll just click on the little star icon and add some of these at the top of Pocket Option. So I'll just go down here at the list and just making sure that all of these are paying out at least 92%. Okay. And so now we've got plenty of assets to choose from. Okay, we're going to be using the 30-second time frame with the regular candles. I have not tested this with the Heikin-Ashi candles, but I imagine it's probably going to give you the same results. And the first step, guys, what we're going to do is we need to enter our account balance, our current account balance, into the trade manager. So I'm going to be using real money. This is $300 that I have inside of my real account up here. I'm going to go over to the trade manager and I've already entered that $300 in there. Now for the total trades for this session, I'm going to put 10 trades. Now I must win 2 out of 10 trades to call it a session. Okay. Now if I do win the first trade and the next trade is under $1, I'm going to go ahead and end the session because Pocket Option will not allow us to have trade sizes under $1, and that's completely fine. So I will call it a session, but for now, I'm going to clear this out. And we've got $300 for the initial capital. The total trades is going to be 10. The win rate that I must achieve, I must have a 20% win rate or higher to be successful with this trading session. That's going to give me an overall account growth of around 0.69%. It's going to be give or take. But yeah, everything looks really good. Let's go back over to Pocket Option. The first trade amount here, before I forget, that's going to be 191. So I will want to enter in over here, 191. Okay, so we're pretty much ready to go. I got $300 inside of my account. I'm going to be risking $300 here, guys. If I lose that money, you guys are going to see me lose it right on this video. So let's go ahead and find a chart here, something that's probably not going sideways. Let's just find something. Okay, this looks okay. Let's go ahead and click on the AI trading button and see what happens. Okay, the first trade is 5 seconds, guys. And that was a win. That was a win. Amazing, because that was really, really close. Those 5-second trades make me really, really nervous. So if I mark this trade, the first trade that we've done, This is going to be a win. And of course, the next trade is under $1. So we're going to call this a session. Now I'm going to enter in my new balance, which is going to be 301.76. And hopefully we might get some losses here inside of Pocket Option, which is not really hard to do. If you've been using Pocket Option for any amount of time, those losses do happen. So, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and enter another one. Same chart. Let's just go ahead and press the AI trading. Hey guys, Mark here. Just wanted to jump in here real quick and say that I was having a microphone problem. So I didn't want to cut this part of the video because it was an awesome trade. So it's went ahead and entered a 10-second trade and came out in a win. Unbelievable. That was really, really close. That was really close, guys. But you know what? A win is a win. And let's go ahead and mark this as a win. The next trade amount is too low, so let's go ahead and call it a session. All right, let's go back over to Pocket Option. The new balance is 303.52 cents. So let's just go ahead and update this. 303.53 cents. Was it 50? Yeah, 52 cents. Okay. All right, the new trade amount. The first trade that we're going to take for this next session, this is the third session, guys. Already went through 2 already. That was quick. It's going to be 193. Let's go over here to Pocket Option. 193, perfect. And let's go ahead and change up the chart a little bit. Let's choose something else here. Got some long wicks there. This looks interesting. Let's go ahead and click on the AI trading button and see what happens. All right, so, that was a sell. I think that was about a 15-second expiry. That was a sell, but we did have a big pump there. So let's see what happens. That's a loss. Okay, so we did lose that. Let's go back over to the trade manager, and I'm going to enter in L for loss. Now, the trade manager tells me that this is the next trade amount that I must use for the second trade for this session, which is going to be 362. So let's come over here and enter that in. Great. So let's find another chart. I was kind of hoping the AI would have taken a buy on that, but it did make a sell, but that's okay. Actually, that last chart looks pretty good. Okay, let's find something else here. We're going to try to move at a much faster pace because my first AI trading video, I didn't really feel like I got a lot of trades in for you guys. So I'm going to try to get some more trades in this video. Let's go ahead and hit that AI trading button and see what happens. Okay, so it's another buy. And there we go. So that was a 5-second win. And so let's go over here and mark this as a win. The next trade is lower than $1. Let's go ahead and clear that out. That's 3 sessions, guys. So the total is 304.92. Had a really good lunch today, man. Had some, I don't know. It was just really good. Really, really good. I'm having a little afternoon coffee right now. And anyway, let's go ahead and get back to it. So the new trading amount is going to be 194. So let's go back over to Pocket Option and put in 194. And should we jump in, guys? Let's go ahead and hit the AI trading button and see what happens. Boom. So it's going for a buy. And 2 more seconds to go, I got another win. So this is crazy. Yeah, so all right. That's another win. That's under $1 for the next trade. Let's go ahead and call it a session. I mean, we're holding profits here, guys. It's going really, really well. And the trade manager, what's really amazing about it is that it protects us. We can incur many, many losses in a row and still be profitable. That's what's amazing with this. It's just that I haven't been able to really get many losses at the moment, but you never know what happens. So let's just go ahead and continue. But before that, we have to enter in the balance that we have. So that's 306.70. We're still in profit, guys. This is 100% winning right now so far. The next trade amount, or for the first trade of this next session, how many sessions is that? That's 4 sessions so far, or 3 sessions. That's going to be 195. Now you can see these trade amounts are getting a little bit larger as we compound our account balance. You see that? So the larger that gets, the higher the trade amounts, and everything just starts to snowball. We had a member inside the group take, I think, what was a $500 account and turn it into over $2,000 in 30 days. And he documented everything, his whole journey. Really, really impressive. It really goes to show how consistency and discipline really pays off when you're, especially when you're using the trade manager. So really, really good stuff. Okay, so I've updated the balance. The initial capital is 306.70 inside of the trade manager, and the first trade amount for this session is going to be 195. Let's go ahead and move to a different chart. Find something here. And actually, that looks pretty good. Let's go back to Euro HUF. All right, let's go ahead and hit the, yeah, I think the servers are a little bit busy at the stock market is opening up here pretty soon, or it might be pre-market. Okay, so let's go ahead and hit the AI trading button. Give it a whirl. Okay, so this is a 30-second trade, and it's a sell. Let's go ahead and zoom into this a little bit. I'll move this over. You guys can see this up close. We've got about 18 seconds to go. So far, so good. But this could flip around, guys. So far, it's been really accurate. We've had users that have gotten like, I think, like 5 or 6 wins in a row or even more just by using the AI trading tool. So it's been working really well. I'm quite impressed. Okay, there's another one. So we've got another win. Let's go back over to the trade manager. Of course, this nothing much we can do. The next trade size is under $1. Let's go ahead and call it another session. All right, so the current balance, the new balance that I have inside a pocket option is 308.49. Let's go over here and mark this out, 308.49. Still in profit, guys. We are on a roll here. And so, yeah, the next trade amount is 196. So instead of 195, now it's going to be 196. Let's go ahead and choose a different chart. And I did go to the gym today, and we did release the brand new version of the Trade Manager, version 1.3, which includes this really cool reset button right here. Also did some other enhancements inside of the spreadsheet. So I was really happy to get that out to you guys today inside of the group. Our group just crossed over 100 people. It's just, you guys have been really just crushing it, doing a really, really good job. I'm so impressed. All right, so we've got, we're ready to go. This looks decent to me. Let's go ahead and hit the AI trading button. And this is going to be a sell. Now, this is a 30-second trade, guys. So let's go ahead and wait this out. Totally hands off. It's really simple to use the AI trading button. I don't have to enter an expiry. It really doesn't matter which time frame that I'm on. However, the only thing that does matter is the asset or the currency pair that you have selected. Because, you know, pocket option will determine with all of the indicators and everything if it's going to be a good trade. And there we go. So that was a loss. Let's go back over to the trading manager, mark this as a loss. The next trade size is going to be 368. Let's go over here and let's go ahead and put in 368, just making sure that's right. Okay, great. Now let's choose another chart real quick. Don't want to give this too much thought. Let's hit the AI trading button right now. Looks like we're going for a buy. This is going to be a 30-second expiry on this buy. And let's see if I can zoom in here a little bit for you guys. You can check that out. And yeah, so we're doing pretty good so far. This video is going on about almost 20 minutes now. So pretty good. And it is what it is, guys. You know, we've got the trade manager on our side. And the great thing is that we can have those losses. We can take those losses and still come out profitable, which is very powerful. And we got a winner there. Let's go over here, mark this as a win. And so that's under $1. So this session is over. I don't know how I've lost track of how many sessions that we've done today, guys. Let's do another one. This is going so fast. And this is all you have to do. We've almost made $10. And let's enter our new trade amount, or not our new trade amount, but our new balance that we have inside a pocket option, which is going to be 309.92. Great. This is the first trade amount is going to be 197. So instead of 196, I think it was before, it's now 197. There it is. I think everything looks good. Want to make sure there's no mistakes. I made a couple mistakes on the last video, so I don't want to do that again because sometimes you get a little fatigue recording these videos. There's so many things going on and so much to think about. but it looks good. So, all right, let's choose a different chart. Something a little bit different here. A lot of downward movement. Looks like everything's just kind of got an overall downward trend today. Maybe possibly get something that has a little bit of a pump maybe or something. But there we go. That looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and hit that AI trading button and see what happens. Okay, so it's a buy. Looks like that red was coming down, but Pocket Options says, nope, we're going to buy. So let's go ahead and see what happens. We've got about 5 more seconds to go on this. And let's go ahead and ride this out. Okay, so that was a win. I was close. It almost looked like a loss. And I think at the last second, it just kind of pushed up a little bit. That's amazing, guys. So this is a win. And this is just too easy. So let's do another one. Let's do another one. This has just been crazy. The new balance I have up here inside of my real account is 311.73. So 311.73. Good. The next trade amount is going to be 198. So instead of 197, that's going to be 198. We're just compounding, guys. This is going to get, and this is exactly what our members are doing. They'll start with a very small amount and then compound that over 60 days. And it's really amazing how quick those little profits add up over time. We've got a lot of people on YouTube trading those really, really large amounts. However, I've got people reaching out to me every day saying, "Hey, Mark, I followed some signals, probably some bogus signals, which we do have a lot of that on the internet these days." And a lot of folks have lost their accounts. So a lot of traders come to me saying, "Mark, I've lost it all. What am I going to do?" And what we do is we educate them and teach them how to be ultra conservative and understand the power of compounding. And that's what we're really doing with the Trade Manager. And so anyway, let's not waste any more time. We've got 198 over here for the first trade amount. Let's choose a different chart. And I think this is going to be the last one. Oh, this looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and enter. Okay, so Pocket Option says that it looks like we're gonna go up. We've got about 30 seconds on this trade here. And let's go ahead and wait this out. Whatever it is, it could be a win, it could be a lose, or it could be a loss. We've got about 12 seconds to go, 11 more seconds. And let's just see what happens, guys. So a lot of people, when they watch my videos and they see me, I want to say something to you guys. I want to mention something. Okay, that was a win, cool. But I want to mention something to you guys. A lot of you guys think that I work for Pocket Option. Which is hilarious, guys. I have no ties with Pocket Option. I have no idea who runs Pocket Option. I'm in my home here. I'm not in a facility. I'm not at a workplace. I've chatted with them over technical support a few times, but I have zero ties with Pocket Option. Now, I am an affiliate, okay? So I do have an affiliate link, and they have an incredible lucrative affiliate program. If you want to know more about that, reach out to me. I can educate you also on becoming an affiliate, which is also powerful in the trading world. But far as having ties with Pocket Option or having my Pocket Option set up or rigged or fixed in a certain way where I'm making wins automatically or it just wins all the time and I never show losses, that's not happening, guys. I have losses on my videos all the time. And all you really need is a 50% win rate with the Wealth Warriors Trade Manager. I mean, not even that. You could still be successful with even like a 30 or 40% win rate. Go check out our testimonials. There's a link below in the description. Also, I will pin a comment at the top on this video. Click on the Telegram group link and go check out our testimonials. There's a little testimonials link inside of the group there. The first group, it's a broadcast group, but at the very bottom, you're going to find a testimonials link and go and see what is happening inside of our group, right? Check it out for yourself. I don't have to sit here and tell you guys about it. You can go ahead and see for yourself. That's it, guys. We had an incredible trading session, earned $13 today, added a little bit more money to my account, and that was an incredible session. So we did pretty good. So we consider that a win. Of course, the next trade underneath $1, we are finished. Try it out, guys. Try out the AI trading button. Most importantly, have some type of structure. I wish you all the best of success. and we'll see you on the next video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Hey everybody, Mark here. I have a question for you. Are you struggling to become profitable with binary options? Does it seem like no matter how many wins you get, your account balance is either going down or it just seems to stay in the same spot? Well, I've got a solution for you. It's called the Wealth Warriors Trade Manager, and it gives you the potential to make between 5 and 10% on your account every day. You could have multiple losses in a row and still come out profitable. And you guys know that, having proper risk management is your key to success with trading. And this trade manager gives you that edge that you need. So join the VIP Telegram group now and get access to all my premium calculators and spreadsheets. Now's the time. It's time to take your trading to the next level. You'll find the link below in the description of this video. Have a good day.